Let's be honest, Coach makes some incredible bags, but not all of them are worth your money. Some styles are too trendy, awkward to use, or just don't hold their value. So today, we're going through 8 Coach bags you'll probably regret buying, and what you should invest in instead. I'll explain exactly why these bags disappoint and show you smarter, timeless options that are way more versatile. And here's the thing, I discovered something surprising about one of these bags that completely changed my perspective, and I'll reveal that insight later in this video. Bag number 1, Coach Pillow Tabby. The Coach Pillow Tabby might look Instagram ready, but it's a prime example of form over function. This puffy quilted bag became popular during the cottagecore trend, but the impractical shape makes it nearly impossible to organize your belongings effectively. Items migrate to the bottom corners, where they become unreachable, and the quilted pattern creates pockets where small items disappear forever. The soft construction loses its shape quickly. Within weeks, you'll notice it slouching and looking deflated rather than luxuriously plump. The oversized version is particularly problematic, promising spaciousness, but delivering awkward bulk instead. The quilted leather shows wear and scratches more easily than smooth alternatives, and the hardware tends to catch on the soft material, causing irreparable pulls and snags. What to get instead? Go for the classic Coach Tabby 26, which captures the best elements while eliminating problems. It features the same heritage-inspired turnlock closure, but with clean lines that won't date. The smooth leather is more durable, easier to maintain, and develops a beautiful patina over time. This bag consistently retains 60 to 70% of its value and works across seasons and trends. Bag number 2, Coach Cassie Crossbody. The Coach Cassie Crossbody suffers from an identity crisis, trying to be both trendy and classic, but failing at both. The camera bag-inspired shape was meant to capitalize on the mini bag trend, but it's too small to be functional and too structured to be comfortable. The rigid corners dig uncomfortably into your hip with every step, and you can barely fit your phone, wallet, and keys. The hardware looks elegant initially, but tarnishes faster than Coach's premium pieces. The suede lining shows every stain and makeup smudge, becoming unsightly within months. Many buyers discover this bag works better as expensive shelf decoration than actual handbag. The resale value has plummeted as the mini bag trend faded, with current prices hovering around 30 to 40% of retail. What to get instead? The Coach Swinger bag offers genuine crossbody versatility with superior proportions. It's roomy enough for essentials while maintaining a sleek profile, and the softer shape conforms naturally to your body. The minimalist design ensures longevity, and superior leather quality means it improves with age while retaining 55 to 65% of its value. Bag number 3, Coach Beach Shoulder Bag. The Coach Beach Shoulder Bag looked promising, like a modern take on the classic shoulder bag with mixed materials and contemporary hardware. However, the execution falls short in critical areas. The combination of leather and suede creates a maintenance nightmare, requiring different care products and techniques that most buyers don't anticipate. The asymmetrical design creates practical problems with unbalanced proportions and uneven weight distribution. The single shoulder strap constantly slips off, requiring frequent readjustment. The interior lacks organization. No pockets or compartments mean everything tumbles together. Despite the Coach name and premium pricing, resale value is surprisingly poor due to these functional limitations. What to get instead? The Coach Willow Shoulder Bag provides the same contemporary aesthetic with superior functionality. It features dual straps for optimal weight distribution and organized interior compartments. Most importantly, it's crafted from single high-quality leather that's practical to maintain while striking the perfect balance between modern appeal and timeless sophistication. Bag number 4, Coach Origami Shoulder Bag. The Coach Origami Shoulder Bag represents everything wrong with trend chasing in luxury handbags. This geometric, angular bag was designed to make a statement and photograph beautifully, but the sharp edges and unusual proportions make it impractical for daily wear. The structured corners are vulnerable to damage, and the rigid shape makes it impossible to fit comfortably under your arm. The interior space is deceptively limited. While appearing large, the angular shape means you lose significant usable space in the pointed corners where items get trapped. The lack of organization makes finding anything frustrating. The avant-garde design that seemed fashion-forward quickly became dated, and resale values reflect this shift, with bags selling for just 25 to 35% of retail price. What to get instead? The Coach Parker Carryall delivers statement-making style without sacrificing practicality. It features interesting details like signature turnlock hardware and dimensional quilting while maintaining a functional rectangular shape. The interior is well organized with multiple pockets, and the proportions work beautifully for both hand and shoulder carry. Bag number 5, Coach Signature Canvas Crossbody, small versions. While Coach's signature canvas is iconic, the tiny crossbody versions do this heritage print no favors. These micro bags reduce the classic C pattern to an almost unrecognizable blur, losing the sophisticated impact that makes the signature print desirable. When compressed into such small space, the pattern looks busy and chaotic rather than refined, sometimes appearing cheap and knockoff-like. Functionally, these bags are severely limited. You're challenged to fit modern smartphones alongside even minimalist wallets. The canvas material feels diminished in such small quantities, and the proportion of hardware to bag size is visually disturbing, with clasps and chains appearing oversized compared to the tiny body. What to get instead? The Coach Signature Canvas Crossbody in medium size allows the iconic print to shine properly. The larger canvas area gives the pattern space to flow and align beautifully, creating the luxurious look Coach is famous for. You'll actually carry your essentials comfortably, while the bag strikes the perfect balance between heritage celebration and modern functionality. Remember that surprising discovery I mentioned about one of these disappointing bags? Well, it turns out the Coach Beach shoulder bag I criticized earlier actually has a hidden feature that changes everything, but I'll reveal that game-changing detail after we cover the remaining bags on this list. Bag number 6, Coach Dreamer in exotic skins. The Coach Dreamer is actually a fantastic bag in regular leather, but the exotic skin versions, python, crocodile, and ostrich, create multiple problems that most buyers don't fully consider before purchasing. First, the premium you pay for exotic skin is enormous, often double or triple the price of the leather version. But the functional benefits are absolutely zero. You're paying thousands more for the same internal organization, the same hardware quality, and the same overall design, just with a different exterior material. These exotic versions are also significantly more delicate and require specialized care that goes far beyond normal leather maintenance. Python skins can crack in dry conditions, crocodile needs specific conditioning products, and ostrich leather is particularly vulnerable to scratches and scuffs. Many owners discover too late that their exotic skin investment requires professional cleaning and restoration services that can cost hundreds of dollars annually. The biggest issue is versatility. Exotic skins are inherently statement pieces that severely limit your styling options. While a classic leather Dreamer works seamlessly with both casual jeans and formal business attire, the exotic versions scream special occasion only and can actually overwhelm simpler outfits. This dramatically reduces cost per wear, making them poor investments despite their luxury status. You'll find yourself leaving them at home for most occasions, questioning why you spent so much on a bag you rarely use. The resale market reflects these limitations. Exotic skin versions depreciate much faster than their leather counterparts because they appeal to a much smaller buyer pool. Most resale platforms show exotic dreamers selling for 40 to 50% of retail, compared to leather versions that typically retain 65 to 75% of their value. What to get instead? Stick with the either smooth or pebbled leather Coach Dreamer. You'll get the same beautiful silhouette, excellent functionality, and timeless appeal at a fraction of the cost. The leather versions age beautifully, developing character over time, and have much stronger resale value because they appeal to a broader market. Most importantly, you'll actually use and enjoy the bag regularly, rather than treating it like museum piece. Bag number 7, Coach Rogue with Color Block. The Coach Rogue is an excellent bag in solid colors. But the color block versions that dominated social media a few years ago now look distinctly dated and gimmicky. These multicolored designs were clearly trend-driven rather than classic, created to generate buzz and Instagram posts rather than provide lasting style value. The contrasting colors severely limit your wardrobe coordination. What works with hot pink and orange trim? Very little, it turns out. The color block combinations also highlight any wear or damage more prominently than solid alternatives. Scuffs and scratches that would blend naturally into solid leather become glaring imperfections when they cross color boundaries. The edges where different colored leathers meet are particularly vulnerable to separation and cracking, creating expensive repair situations that don't exist with single color construction. Many of these color block combinations featured trendy shades that seemed exciting at the time, but quickly became embarrassing reminders of specific fashion moments. Remember when millennial pink dominated everything? Or when color blocking was considered the height of sophistication? These bags now look like artifacts from those particular time periods, rather than timeless luxury pieces that transcend seasonal trends. The resale market brutally reflects this reality, with color block rogues selling for significantly less than their solid counterparts, often 30 to 40% less than comparable single-color versions. Buyers seeking pre-owned luxury want versatility and longevity, qualities that these multicolored designs simply can't provide. What to get instead? Choose the classic colored Coach Rogue, such as black cognac or navy leather. These solid colors showcase the bag's beautiful architectural lines without competing visual elements, and the craftsmanship becomes the star, rather than busy color combinations. These versions coordinate effortlessly with everything in your wardrobe and hold their value exceptionally well, typically retaining 70 to 80% of retail value. Now, before we reveal the next bag, let's discuss first about that hidden feature I discovered with the Coach Beat Shoulder Bag. It turns out the asymmetrical design I criticized actually includes a hidden magnetic snap that converts it into a clutch by folding the flat portion. While this doesn't solve all the bag's problems, it does add unexpected versatility that some users might find valuable. However, I still maintain that the other issues make it a poor choice overall. Bag number 8, Coach Charter Backpack. The Coach Charter Backpack represents the brand's attempt to capture the athleisure trend, but it falls short of both luxury and functionality standards. The leather is beautiful, but the backpack design doesn't suit Coach's aesthetic strengths. The straps are uncomfortable for extended wear, lacking the padding found in purpose-built backpacks. The biggest disappointment is the price-to-function ratio. You're paying luxury handbag prices for a backpack that doesn't perform as well as athletic brands at half the cost. The formal leather construction also makes it impractical for actual athletic activities, leaving it in an awkward middle ground between gym bag and luxury accessory. What to get instead? If you need a luxury backpack, consider the Coach Gotham Backpack. It's designed specifically for urban professionals with laptop compartments, comfortable straps, and a more masculine aesthetic that works better for Coach's design language. Alternatively, invest in a classic Coach tote like the Tote 42. which offers similar carrying capacity with more versatile styling options. If you want your Coach collection to truly last, stick to what the brand does best: timeless shapes, gorgeous leather, and that classic American vibe. Go for pieces that show off Coach's heritage and still look amazing years down the line. It's all about choosing quality and practicality over passing trends. After all, the best bag is one you'll love using over and over, not just the day you buy it. What's your experience with Coach bags? Have you fallen for any of these regrettable styles? Or do you have other Coach disappointments to share? Don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you want to learn more about handbags, make sure to check this next one as well.